Hello, I hope this video finds you well. Tonight we are going to look at without end from string 1, and this is the Python solution. The problem states, given a string, return a version without the first and last char, so hello yields ELL. The string length will be at least 2. So again, this is if you've been following along, this is a type of problem that really helps out if you're a beginning programmer to put in a couple concrete examples and then figure out what the substring would be in those concrete examples and then generalize that. The other thing that's really important to draw your attention to is this here. It says the string length will be at least 2. So we know the precondition we can assume is that the string is at least length 2, meaning we don't have to worry about index out of bounds problems. Alright, and we can look at the examples here. Hello is ELL, Java returns AV, coding returns ODIN. And so you can see we're just basically knocking off the first and the last character. Now, what I've done here is I've written the first example, hello, and we see hello has a length of 5, and the index is 0 to 4. And if I was to do this, if I wanted ELLO, I'm going to go from index 1 to 4, remembering inclusive, exclusive. And then I look at Java, which has a length of 4, so the indexes are 0 to 3, and the substring I'd use here is 1 to 3. Remember it again, inclusive, exclusive. So now if I want to generalize this, well, I can see that in both of these examples that it starts at 1 because that first value is the same, but the second value is different. So I always go back and try and relate this to the length. And so I'll say to myself, how does 4 relate to 5? And well, 4 is 1 less than 5. So now let's test that hypothesis. And we see that 3 is 1 less than 4, so that's true. So it's going to be the length of str minus 1. And that's it. So all we have to do for this problem is return str1 to the len str minus 1, and that's it. There we go. I hope this video helped, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful day.